Racing Jazz is started with gorgeous Chelsea. Break quickly, let us start the spring collection is on the outside. Don't let Garly Max comes next. Apo. Then down on the inside is Alta Spines Piscante. Camora second last rally star of Boya is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. We have the quick is striding his spring collection at its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length leader. Gorgeous Chelsea in second, and in third comes Garly Max. Alta Spanish comes next, rushing up his Piscante. Dauntless Camora comes next, is Star of Boya. And at the fourth turn, we have his spring collection, enjoying a 3/4 of a length lead. Gorgeous Chelsea, and here comes Garly Max. Now moving up on the at Alta Spanish Piscante comes next. Apo, then comes Camora, Star of Boya, while Dauntless now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have his spring collection, moving up the inside is Alta Spanish, and on the outside comes Garly Max with about 150 meters more to run. We have Alta Spines by about 2 lengths in spring collection. Garly Max moving up on the outside is Piscante, but it's still Alta Spines, and finally Alta Spines Piscante is spring collection. Garly Max Camora.
Okay, bayang karerista, para dito sa inyong race number 5, ang ating unofficial winner, your second choice. Yan po, numero 2, Altas Finest. Masi segundo, yung favorite numero 3, Piscante. Darating po sa inyong trifecta, 7 horse spring collection, 9 horse Garly Max.